All right, good Friday morning, boys and girls. It's Friday and it's close to the weekend. So we are going to start off math today and we are going to be continuing our teen numbers. Our learning target today is I can count and draw two sets of teen numbers. Yes, so we're going to be counting and we're going to be drawing our numbers, our teen numbers, our numbers that have a 10 and some ones. So let's get started. We're going to start with our fluency activity. Miss Nakia wants you to think about how many dots do you see? Good job. And when I say snap, you're going to say that number out loud. And then I want you to think about how can you see them in two parts? Yes, this is our fun game where we see numbers in parts. So when I look at this number, Miss Nakia sees 5 and 4. Those are the parts that I see to make my 9. I see 5 and 4 make 9. I see my part, and then I'm able to see my whole. Let's try another one. How many dots do you see? Snap. Good, say the number out loud. And then how can you see them in two parts? Great thinking. Miss Nakia saw that number as 6 and 3. 6 and 3 make 9. That was my part, whole. 6 and 3 make 9. Let's try the next one together. How many dots do you see? Snap. Good. How many dots do you see? 9 again? Yes. And how can you see them in two parts? Looking at these dots. Yes, I saw this one a little different. Miss Nakia saw my parts as 7 and 2. This time my 7 and 2 gave me 9 as my whole. Ooh, there's lots of ways we can make numbers. How many dots do you see? Snap. Did you see 9 again? Yes, but this time your parts were probably different. Miss Nakia saw that 9 as 8 and 1. 8 and 1 made my 9. How many dots do you see? Snap. Oh, this one was such a good one. How did you see them? How can you see them in two parts? Well, look at Miss Nakia. I saw 5 and 4 this time. 5 and 4 were the parts that made my 9. Oh, this is such a fun game. You can go back and play these games later and look at your dot cards. Now we're going to play a game called How Many Dots Do You See? And then Miss Nakia is going to challenge you to visualize one more. Are you ready to play? How many dots do you see? Snap. 3. 3 and 1 more. Yes, that would be 4. When I add one more, 3 and 1 more is 4. So this time our game is going to be, Miss Nakia is going to show you a 10 frame with your dots. You're going to count those dots, say the number, and you're going to visualize. That means you're going to think about what it would look, what would your whole be if you had one more. How many dots do you see? Yes, 9. What is one more? Good. Try to think about that one more and visualize it in your mind. Yes, that would be 10. Let's draw our one more. 9 and 1 more make 10. How many dots do you see? Yes, 8. Ooh, what would be one more? You have that picture in your mind? Yes, 8 and 1 more would be 9. Great thinking. How many dots do you see? Yes, 7. You have your picture? 7. What is 1 more? You got it. 8. 7 and 1 more is 8. How many dots do you see? 6. What is 1 more? Very good job. 7. Oh, it's really fun to visualize numbers and count in your head. Let's try this one. How many dots do you see? 4. Awesome. 4 and 1 more make our 5. Okay, we're going to move on to our problem set, and you can go back and practice those if you want to with your mom and dad and an adult and play the one more game. We're going to move on to our problem. This problem is about a little girl named Jenny. It says a pre-K kindergarten friend named Jenny drew 15 things. Ooh, there's my important number, 15 things, with 1 chip and 5 more chips. Draw 15 things as 10 ones and 5 ones. Awesome. So we're going to draw Jenny's chips as 10 and 5 to give us our 15. So let's draw our 10. What do you think? Jenny drew it as 1 chip, and then she drew it as 5. But she wants, okay, so let's try our number the regular way. Jenny wants to show her 15 chips. But she drew it as 1 chip and 5 more chips. Let's draw that. She drew it as 1, and then she drew it as 5. What do you think? Do you think that's correct if Jenny drew her 15 as 1 and 5? Yeah, that doesn't look quite right. And that does not give us our 15. Where do you think her mistake is? Oh, you're so smart. So when I look at the number 15, we know that that 1 is not really a 1. No, we know that 15, if we say that 15 the say 10 way, that number is 10, 5. 15 is really 10, 5. It has a 10. It has 10 ones and 5 ones. So let's draw that number correctly this time. If Jenny wanted to draw 15, what should she draw? You got it. She should draw her 10 and then her 5. Let's draw Jenny's picture the correct way. Are you ready? Let's draw her chips the correct way. Let's start with our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Miss Sonkin is going to circle that 10. So there's our 10. And now we're going to draw Jenny's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we definitely have our 15. We have our 10 and we have our 5. That gives us the number 15 for Jenny. Very good thinking. So just as we drew our number today in our application problem, that's how we're going to draw our numbers today. We're going to practice drawing dots in our 10 frames to show our numbers. Miss Sakia is going to do the first few with you, and then I'm going to let you finish the other 2 independently. So let's go ahead and build our 10 numbers. Let's look at our first number. We have the number 19. Good, say 19. And then whisper it the 10 way. 10, 9. Yes, whisper it one more time. 10, 9. You got it. So when we draw 19, what do we need to draw? Yes, we need to draw our 10. So we're going to fill in that frame with our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, 19 is 10, 9. So now we have to draw our 9. We have our 10. So we're going to draw 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 9, 19. Let's move to your next one. Yes, that's the number 14. So how are we going to draw 14? Let's whisper that number the say 10 way. Are you ready? 10, 4. You got it. So on our 10 frames, we're going to draw 10, 4. Let's get ready to draw that 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, it's 10, 4. So now we have to draw our 4. 12, 13, 14. Awesome. So your picture is going to match your number. Your parts that you draw are going to be equal to your whole to show that number. Next one. Yes, that's 17. Whisper, count that number the say 10 way. 10, 7. So what should Miss Nakin see on your picture? Yes, think about that. I should see your 10 frame filled, and I should see your other frame with 7 ones. Miss Nakin should see 10, 7 to make our 17. Let's fill in that frame. Miss Nakin fix this a little bit. There we go. That's better. All right, so you should have your 10 and 7. I think you can do the other 3 independently and practice those numbers. Today, you're also going to be drawing numbers for your problem set. So you're going to whisper count as you draw the number. And you're going to fill in your 10 frame first. And you're going to show your numbers. There you go. We're going to be showing our numbers just like we did as we practiced together today. Are you ready to get started? Very good. So just like we practiced, this is your problem set. You're going to see a number. We're going to say that number 12. Let's whisper count it as we draw. I know that 12 is really 10, 2. So when I draw that number, I'm going to make sure that I fill in my 10 frames and I show 10, 10. And then I want to show 10, 2. 10, 2 gives us our 12. Awesome job. Let's do one more together, and I think you have your problem set today. Good. Let's move to 16. Let's whisper count that number the say 10 way. 16 is 10, 6. So on your frame, Miss Nakin wants to see your 10 and your 6. Very good. I feel like you're going to do such a good job on your problem set today. As you finish this bottom part, you're going to be making up your own teen numbers when you draw. So you could draw 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19. Your teen numbers you get to choose. Remember, it has to have a 10 and some 1s. All right. You did such a good job all week in math. As you're counting, I want you to talk about your numbers with your mommy and daddy. And make sure you whisper count and tell them what that number is the say 10 way. And go back and explain your thinking to your mom and your dad or your adult. Thank you so much.